Alrighty, hello YouTube, this is Joseph here once again. Hope you're having a good week so far. My week's been going pretty good. But today I got another package in the mail and thought I would go ahead and share with you guys what I picked up earlier this week. It's a new weather radio. Let me go on and try and open the packaging here. It's one that I've never had before. It's a new brand. So it's going to be something completely different than what I have owned in the past. But let's see what we got here. So looks like they did a pretty good job with the packaging. Might have to get the scissors actually. We'll see. I'm going to try and get it out without using the scissors. But I don't think that's going to be possible because these things, oh, well, that one slid off, so maybe I can get the other one to do it. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. Alrighty, go on and move the cellophane out of the way. Let's see here. Here it is. So what I ordered is a Reecom model R1630. This is an original model, so it's got the National Weather Service, same technology, the data display, digital tuning of all 7 weather radio stations, among other amenities, and it has the special mode to where you can actually check and see how long a notification is in effect for. So he taped it closed because he did open it to demonstrate that it is an original boxed model. He's never used it from what I saw on the seller, but it's an older model, so we'll go on and open it up here. Alrighty, so here's the Reecom R1630. Looks like there's the power cord. Okay, power supply. Go on and open it up here. Pull it out. A little bit smaller than I was originally anticipating, but it's about the same size as a, I guess a WR300, I would say. It's pretty good size. But, yeah, so one of my weather radios, the 12-240, is starting to have some capacitor problems, so I wanted to go ahead and get something to replace it, and I've seen a lot of YouTube videos that a lot of weather spotting community users like to have Reecoms. So I thought I'd go ahead and buy myself one and see how they are. So let me go ahead and go get some AA batteries and we'll go ahead and power this thing up. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, so as soon as you turn it on, it starts off with the date as Monday, October 1st, 2007 at 12 a.m. So we're going to go ahead and see if I can program. So memory. I'll probably have to learn how to program this thing, but we're going to go on and turn it on. We'll have to learn how to program it, but I'll probably be making a newer video once I get everything set up, but this is just a quick demonstration to show that it still works. So it's one of the older ones, and it had been sitting for a long time, but I'm excited, and I will be uploading videos of this thing whenever we start getting severe weather again. So expect new videos with the Reecom being in the severe weather series. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.